Yeah, you're recording.
Hello everyone, I am Rishu and currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in journalism and mass communication. Today I'm sharing my screen with a very special guest with Major General Sanjay Soy, who has spent his 36 and a half years of his life in military service. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Today's a very special day. We all know today is a very, very, very special day for the whole country because Prime Minister Narendra Modi actually inaugurated Atal Tunnel in Himachal Pradesh. So let me give a small brief about what exactly this Atal Tunnel is. Atal Tunnel, Rohtak, world's longest and largest tunnel above thousand feet, named after former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is a highway tunnel built under Rohtak Pass in the eastern Pinpanjal range of Himalayas on Manali Highway. So before we get into the whole depth of the whole situation, first and foremost question is, sir, how are you feeling? This is a very proud moment.
Yeah, Rishu, thank you so much for sparing your time, and we are able to talk on this very, very important subject. In fact, I am feeling a very proud moment for me and probably for the whole country today that the Atal Tunnel is inaugurated, which is the at that height is the longest tunnel in the world. ये
Hmm.
जिसको कहते हैं भारत की शान है ये अटल टनल समथिंग लाइक
Yes.
दैट इट इज a very very proud moment for the India, and it shows the resolve of the government. You know what, it was inaugurated in 2000. It was idea was conceptualized and it was inaugurated in 2002. After that the speed was very slow. In last 5 6 years only the speed picked up, and imagine the tunnel is ready. It is shows the resolve of the, I would say, prime minister also himself gone there. It shows the importance which present government accords to this project, because it is an engineering marvel. It is a, I would again say, utter resolve of BRO also,
Hmm.
border road organization. You know, they have taken 10 years to complete it, and in can you believe, in about 600 meters took 4 years to complete, because there's a big challenge. They had to clear the area below a waterfall, Siri Nala. It was only the utter resolve. They could have, anybody could have given up, but they continued, found the solution, and then opened it. Today, it is inaugurated. It also
Yes.
shows the utter resolve of engineering thought process. I mean, the kind of challenges they would have faced: hard
Huh.
rocks, altitude, remote area, and then in between the Serinala thing and 600-meter takes 4 years to complete. Imagine. So they do the engineering marvel altogether. And yes, it also shows the, I am using Atal again and again because it shows the Atal resolve to connect the far-flung areas like Lahore Spiti with the
Huh.
rest of the country. Otherwise, these guys were cut off for about 5 to 6 months in a year.
Huh.
So
Hmm.
ultimately, it will benefit a lot. The integration will be better, and strategically also,
Hmm.
it shows the utter effort to show the strategic importance of developing the infrastructure in the border areas. So
Exactly.
important. We were really lagging behind. Like
Yes.
China had already developed the road structure up to their posts,
Hmm.
whereas we were earlier, we had a defensive mindset.
Huh.
Rishu, you know that when we did not develop roads because we thought the Chinese will use it.
Yes.
That's why we did not
Main
develop the road.
concern.
That fear psychosis, the defensive mindset, the defeatist mindset, that was there. So things are different today. We are thinking aggressive, and yes, it shows the whole world. What you brought out, Rishu, this is the longest tunnel at that at 10,000 feet. It is
Hmm.
a showcasing the world. You are showing the
Hmm.
world what India can do, the engineering marvel, what we can achieve. It is
Hmm.
a landmark event which we must all celebrate. And ये जिसको I'll repeat again कि भारत की शान है ये अटल टनल. Yeah, Rishu.
ये भारत के हिस्ट्री में, ये भारत के इतिहास में के पन्नों में लिखा जाएगा कि अटल टनल और उसके बाद का सेलिब्रेशन, उसके बाद का जो माहौल पूरे कंट्री में है, वो इट्स कमेंडेबल। लाइक कुछ ही ऐसे लम्हे तो होते हैं जहाँ पे द होल कंट्री कम्स टुगेदर एंड सेलिब्रेट्स, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ देम, आई फील लाइक।
Yes, absolutely right. It is one of the event because this is something you have created, you have made, you have showcased, and you have proved कि India is the work culture is there. The work culture of BRO, which is again a border road organization, is there, and they have shown the resolve to achieve almost impossible tasks. And this will be the harbinger of many more achievements to come. Like there are many more tunnels which we have to make, and this technology, I'm sure, will help them complete the projects well in time and before time. Rishu.
Yes, sir. So I want to ask that what are the benefits? Actually, what are the benefits of Atal Tunnel? Like you have given a very big brief about exactly what is Atal Tunnel and how this is going to be effective. But what do you think about how this is going to put out people and how this is going to benefit people?
Yeah, first thing I would say is for army because I'm from armed forces. So first
Hmm.
I'll look at my benefit,
Huh.
right? My benefit means that it is reducing the distance by 46 kilometer and time from Manali to Leh by 4 to 5 hours, which means a lot, which means a lot. Because earlier they had to climb the Rohtang Pass and come down.
Hmm.
Now they don't have to climb and the tunnel will remain functional throughout the year.
Huh.
So one is saving the time, saving the distance. So more people can mobilize in a faster time frame.
Right.
Rishu, 4,500 vehicles can pass through in a day. 3,000
Hmm.
cars and 1,500 trucks can move. So you can imagine at the speed of 80 kilometers. Such a fine engineering marvel it is there that it helps in the faster movement of the troops. It will help in the our administrative backup which build up which we need to do. We don't have to depend on the air. The routes will be open for a longer time. And yes,
Hmm.
we'll discuss that later about the Lahore Spiti, how this will
Yeah.
benefit the people of Lahore Spiti. Yeah, Rishu.
Yes.
This was the
So
army angle I just put out.
Yes, obviously, this is a very important topic because eventually, maybe it is going to be a very beautiful tourist spot. But eventually, what we actually needed was whether how this is the how Atal Tunnel is going to help army people. So this is a very big achievement because eventually this one tunnel is going to affect the whole country in a very positive way. One question, like, how is this tunnel will change the Lahore Smriti, which we were discussing right now?
Yeah. So one more thing I thought, like you just mentioned about army, which I brought out
Hmm.
last time, is that
Hmm.
yes, it will also affect on the Chinese thought process because what happens that they would see as a major milestone which India has showcased, and our
Yes.
build-up will be faster. We will be proactive. That is one thing. Second
Hmm.
thing, what you brought out is very rightly brought out about the impact on the people of Lahore Spiti.
Huh.
You know, Lahore Spiti is a very beautiful place. Beautiful.
Hmm.
It can be a wonderful tourist spot.
Hmm.
Earlier, the routes will start closing down from October onwards. Now it will
Manali,
remain open
snowfall.
till November. From May to November, the routes will remain open, or maybe from April to November, the routes will remain open up to Lahore Spiti, or
Hmm.
could be for the longer time.
Yes.
Imagine the potential, the winter sports which can be conducted there. It has a
Hmm.
tremendous potential to host winter sports, whether the slopes are very gentle, the whether skiing or skating or ice rink, all these things could be there. Then people may like to enjoy the some part of the winter and snow falls there. And for the local people, it will help in their economy. They will remain
Exactly.
connected for a longer time.
Hmm.
And one more thing, Rishu, those people in Lahore Spiti, the conditions were so tough because it will get cut off.
Hmm.
They will not be connected. For anybody falling sick, they needed the help of the helicopter, and
Hmm.
helicopter could only land if the weather was good. Otherwise,
Plus, they
helicopter
are
could not land.
expensive. The affording helicopter is not affordable for each and every person staying there. It is quite expensive.
Absolutely, absolutely. It is a luxury. Even if government tries to evacuate, but weather-wise also doesn't work out. And then Lahore, people in the Lahore Spiti people had to maintain two houses. One this side
Hmm.
of Rohtang Pass, one in Lahore Spiti. During
Huh.
extreme winters, a large number of them would come this side of Rohtang Pass towards Manali side, so that
Hmm.
they can remain connected with the rest of the world.
Hmm.
So that again now they'll not require that kind of thing, because throughout the winters now Lahore Spiti will remain connected with the rest of
Connected.
the world.
Yes,
So
and
economy wise, culture wise, the integration would be better. They will get better education. Every whole lot of things will change for the people of Lahore Spiti, and of course then
true,
Manali also.
very true, very rightly said. I really feel very pleasurable and very happy for people who are staying in Malari and that side of people, because eventually it becomes very tough. It is not just about medical, it is not just about spot. There are a lot of other emergency which people wanted to cross the line and they are not able to, because eventually the whole snowfall, the whole blockage of the road do not allow them, and which is very bad.
Absolutely, Rishu, because they had to stock for everything, small little
Hmm.
thing. Even if something goes missing, then they are stuck. So from say November till April, they had to stock rations, they had to stock groceries, every possible thing they had to stock. So that
Yes.
makes a lot of difference. That their life will definitely be better. Yeah,
Yes.
Rishu.
So, sir, it is like a very, very, very proud day, a very enthusiastic day, and I feel like each and every person of the country should feel happy and should celebrate it as an occasion, because this is a very big achievement. Would you like to add something?
Yeah, Rishu, I fully agree with you. You have rightly brought out that this is a big achievement और भारत की शान है ये अटल टनल.
बिल्कुल.
I mean, it is a engineering showcasing the engineering marvel and our work ethics.
Hmm.
So we all of us should be proud of this fact. And thank
Hmm.
you so much, Rishu, for being there. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time and consideration.
Okay, Rishu. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.